Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys some fabulous fragrances for the fall. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. So before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Dossier. So thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. So anyways, in case you guys are not familiar with Dossier, they are a luxury fragrance line and they bring you luxury fragrances for a very affordable price. And I just wanted to share with you guys like what comes in the package in case you have not seen it before. I also have a playlist with different plethora of fragrances so you guys can see you know, what you like and what I think of some of them. So yeah, but anyways, it does come in this box. It's really nice, simple, and down to the point. Once you open the box, it says iconic scent, designer quality, and no markups, and that is very true. While this is very affordable, you still get the luxury feel. Okay, you are not getting anything cheap over here. It's very high quality, smells amazing, and yeah, the quality is just everything. So it also comes with a little stock card in here, and this has all the information about your fragrance, what the inspiration is, the notes, as well as the concentration levels. Excuse me, I can't talk. But yeah, and then it also tells you how it works, so you get all the information that you need on this little card, which I think is very helpful. It also makes you know like what kind of scents and everything that you like, and I just think that it's really good. And then last but not least, it does come with the scent, of course. So here is the bottle. It's very luxurious. So the bottle is really nice and it's very chic and to the point. This is definitely very beautiful and aesthetically pleasing, and also very high quality. I do have a whole collection of Dossier scents, and I also want to share with you guys that the top is magnetic, so that is very high quality. You don't even see that with some designers, so you don't have to worry about your fragrance spilling or anything. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys in case you guys are not familiar with Dossier. So jumping right into these fabulous fragrances for fall, I did actually try this first one out because I saw my girl Angelique, aka Half Baked Beauties, try this one and she absolutely loved it. And when she said the notes and everything, I was like so here for it. I was like, I must try that fragrance. And this one is Floriantel Brown Sugar, okay? And I have put a little bit of a dent in her, okay? But yeah, don't judge me for that. I was trying it out, but I just got carried away. Like, I was wearing her for a whole week straight and I was like, girl, relax, like you haven't even done the review yet. So jumping right in, we're gonna talk about the notes in this fragrance. So the top notes are bergamot, raspberry, and pear. The middle notes is jasmine, orange blossom, and brown sugar, and the base notes is patchouli, amber, and vanilla. This one is inspired by Mon Paris by YSL, and I actually have that one, so I'm gonna be able to tell you guys like kind of like a comparison for the two. So yeah, I really do love this fragrance. It smells absolutely amazing. The way that they formulated all the notes, everything is just so freaking nice. You just smell so yummy. I honestly would classify this for all year round in my personal opinion, but I don't know, it just stood out to me, and I know that I'm gonna be rocking this for fall. I would say that this is definitely more of like a daytime scent, because it's, while it has like patchouli and like, I don't know, like patchouli to me like sometimes can come off as like a nice scent, but that's just me personally, okay? But I feel like the brown sugar and the sweetness of this and the bergamot, like I don't know, like it just gives me fall, like fall day. Like it smells like a fall day. Like if I was to smell it with my eyes closed, I would picture a fall day. So it smells really amazing, and it does, like, it smells almost the same as this one. I actually like the Dossier scent better because I feel like they hit the notes better, because every note is pronounced. Like as I go through the day, like I can smell like all the things that it says that's in here. So I really do like that one. It's not to knock Mon Paris. I really do like Mon Paris. So if you you know, these are really good scents for the fall, and that's why I wanted to come and share them with you guys. But yeah, like this scent though, like oh my gosh, like I love it, and I love the fact that it is so affordable and I get so much and it's such high quality. And yeah, this is just really nice. So I would definitely highly recommend this Floriantel Brown Sugar. And thank you so much to my girl Angelique for doing a review on this, because you know, I just need the reassurance and the assurance, okay? And she came through. So yeah, but anyways, I really do love this one. So this is definitely number one on my list for fall fragrances. So the next one we're going to talk about is Ambery Saffron, and I have been highly requested to try this ever since I started doing dossier videos on my Instagram. In my DMs, they're always asking, can I try this one and give my opinion on it? So let's go ahead and get right into it. So the name of this fragrance, once again, is Ambery Saffron. The top notes is saffron and orange blossom. The middle notes is jasmine, plum, and cedarwood. The base notes is oak moss, firm, balsam. She can't pronounce nothing. And then also amber. So this is inspired by Baccarat Rouge 540 Eau de Parfum. So if you guys don't know, you know, this is a dupe for a more bougie fragrance, okay? I don't have that one. I was trying to get like a sample size, but it's all sold out, obviously, because a lot of people probably feel like I feel. I don't know if I really want to invest that much money into a fragrance, just because, like, yeah. But anyways, I've tried this one out and I really do like this one. It's really nice. It smells very expensive, so I was wearing this when I have to go somewhere that I wanted to feel, you know, like just like I'm that bee, okay? Like, and that's where I will wear this. It smells so amazing. I love how the notes complement my body chemistry and everything. It just smells so freaking amazing. And yeah, I really do love the notes in this. At first I was a little bit afraid of this because this is more of a bold scent, and I'm not really used to like a super bold scent. However, like once I started wearing it, I just really do like it. And I'm also testing out some concoctions with this one, and they have been hitting, okay? I am going to be doing a video where I share with you guys like how I layer different perfumes, and they just smell amazing, okay? Because I know that can go wrong, but it smells amazing. But anyways, I really do like this Ambery Saffron. It just smells so freaking good, so expensive, very luxe, and I do like this one. This one retails for only $49, which is really good because the original, like I said, is like, you know, it's like 3 something plus, I believe. It's either like $300 or $400 plus. But this definitely, like, this will do for me, and this is a luxury fragrance, so I am happy with this one. So that's what it is. So next up is something that I already had in my dossier collection. This one is Floral Lavender. I'm gonna go ahead and read the notes. Even though this one is not new, I always keep my note cards because it kind of helped me determine whether or not I want a fragrance, because I just look at these for reference to see like, okay, do I like this? You know, it really is the guide for every single perfume that I buy, okay? So yeah, this is Floral Lavender. So the top notes is mandarin, neroli, and black currant. The middle notes is jasmine, lavender, and orange blossom. The base notes is vanilla, amber, and musk, okay? And this is the inspired by YSL's Libre, okay? And I also have that fragrance as well. And these, honestly, like, they are very similar, but I feel like Dossier, like, they just, like, they understand the assignment and they get it done, okay? Because the way that they make the notes, even though it's inspired by this one, it just smells like, it just goes perfect. Like, this one is like, it smells amazing, don't get me wrong, like, but it is like, it comes off like very powerful and strong, while this has a perfect balance of like all the things that I enjoy smelling like, with it being like a more bold type of scent. For me, this is a nighttime scent, something that I would wear all year round, but I don't know, like, I didn't really wear this one in the summer. I don't know, maybe it is more of a fall scent to me, that's why I didn't gravitate towards it. But I feel like you can wear your scents whenever you want to. I just tell you like what I like. But I definitely feel like this is going to be the perfect nighttime scent for this fall and winter. Like, I feel like this is just amazing. These scents are also like, I feel like baddie scents, you know, like you will smell this and be like, yes, like she's a baddie, like, you know, you just want to smell like money, like this is definitely it. So yeah, Floral Lavender is definitely a must-have. So last but certainly not least, we have this one. So this is Floriantel Vanilla, and the top notes in this one is mandarin, pear, pink pepper, and licorice. The middle notes is jasmine and orange blossom. The base notes is cedarwood, patchouli, vanilla, and coffee. So, and this one is inspired by YSL Black Opium. So I do have the sample size in this one, and oh my gosh, these smell the same, okay? Like they are like the same fragrance, okay? Like I just really love both of them, but I don't know, like for me, I don't know if I'm gonna buy the big bottle of this one because I haven't even really used it. Like I've barely used it. I think I used it this much because a couple times I wore it and I wanted to have something that would fit in my small clutch. And yeah, I've used this a lot, as you guys can see. Like I'm gonna need another one. But yeah, this Floriantel Vanilla is actually my favorite scent by Dossier. Like I really do love this. Like they really understood the assignment on this one, okay? This scent is just so freaking nice, and it smells the exact same as this one. I do like this one more because I like that it has more of like, I can smell like the vanilla and coffee more in this one, and that concoction alone, like I smell all the notes, but I can smell the vanilla, and that's what I want. Like I want that sweet vanilla smell. So yeah, I really do just love this. It's to die for. Like oh my gosh, like I love this. But yeah, divas, those are my fabulous fragrances for this fall and even going into winter. But I think I'm gonna have a little bit different scents for the winter time. So yeah, you know, just check back in with me. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. If you guys are interested in purchasing any Dossier fragrances, I will have them linked in the description box below, along with my coupon code, so that you guys can save some coinage, okay? So make sure you guys go ahead and use my coupon code if you want to save on it. And yeah, definitely check out my Dossier playlist if you want to see other fragrances that I have reviewed by them, in case you are curious about it and you know you want to get some, because who doesn't want luxury fragrances for the low? I'll wait. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you and know what you are thinking. Let me know what your favorite fragrance is, whether it's by Dossier or whoever it's by. Definitely let me know your favorite fragrance, or if there's any fragrances that you would like for me to try by Dossier that I haven't already, definitely leave it in the comment section below. And yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.